take this one. Ronaldo to score.
Okay. Ronaldo to score.
Oh. Calm down. Try this one. Ronaldo not to chop in brick.
Okay, Ronaldo not to chop in brick.
Man of you happen.
Jesus!
Since when Ronaldo started to chop brick? Calm down. Go risk calm down. Messi not to do leg work.
Okay, Messi not to do leg work.
Since when Messi started to do leg work? Give me this. When Messi started to do leg work? Oh. Calm. Do this one. No player to do knee slide for 30 minutes straight.
Okay.
Now go far.
No player to do knee slide for 30 minutes straight.
If you happen.
Was magic. This is history in the making. Sweet dreams